In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make shape circle image using Figma plugin. By the end, you'll have a clean circular image that looks professional and takes just a few clicks to create. Start by opening Figma and heading to the canvas where you want your circular image to live. We'll begin with the shape itself. On your keyboard, press the O key to activate the ellipse tool. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your shape. To get a perfect circle rather than an oval, hold the Shift key while you drag. You can make it any size you like. Think about where this will be used, profile photo, thumbnail, or a small badge, and size it accordingly. Once you've drawn the circle, make sure it's selected. If you clicked away or switched tools, just click the circle again to highlight it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. Now look over to the right-hand sidebar. This is where Figma's Properties panel lives, and you'll see a section labeled Fill. This is the area that controls what's inside your shape. If you don't see Fill, double check that the circle is selected and not the entire frame or the canvas. Inside the fill section, you'll see a color swatch showing the current fill color. Click that color box to open the fill settings. At the top of the pop-up, you'll notice the fill type is set to solid by default. Change this from solid to image. This tells Figma you want to place a photo inside the shape instead of a flat color. Next, upload your image. Click the upload option, choose a file from your computer, JPG or PNG both work great, and let Figma do the rest. The moment your image loads, it will sit perfectly inside the circle. Think of the circle as a window or mask that cleanly clips the image to a round shape. You'll get crisp edges and a tidy, consistent look that's ideal for avatars, team headshots, or rounded thumbnails. That's it. Your image is now perfectly inside a circle. If you ever need to fine-tune the result, you can revisit the fill settings to adjust as needed. But the default behavior typically gives you exactly what you want with no extra effort. A quick recap. Draw a perfect circle with the ellipse tool while holding Shift, select the circle, head to the fill section on the right, switch the fill type to image, and upload your photo. Simple, clean, and fast.